Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have used this denim pinafore dress to create a paper bag waist denim skirt with a matching tie-up belt. These skirts have been really popular this year, so I decided to make my own. So let's get into it. First, I drew a straight line across the pinafore just below the top of the skirt piece and cut along the line. Keep the top half, we'll need this later. Next, I measured a piece of elastic that fit comfortably around my waist and sewed the ends together to make a loop. This will be used as a waistband to create the paper bag look. With the skirt inside out, I placed the waistband around the skirt and folded the top edge of the skirt over onto the waistband and pinned in place. This would attach the waistband onto the skirt and also hem the top of the skirt. I then stretched the waistband to fit the skirt and pinned in place at various points. Once it was pinned in place, it looked like this. As I was sewing, I stretched the waistband to fit the skirt correctly and made sure the top edge of the skirt was folded over evenly all the way around. After I'd sewn all the way around the skirt, this is how it looked. On to making the belt. Taking the top half I cut off earlier, I first cut the buttons off and removed the seams along the button placket to have as much material as possible. I then measured strips of fabric that were 2.5 inches wide and cut these out. I cut out as many of these as I could from my remaining fabric, as once joined, they needed to fit around my waist and tie up. Once I'd cut these out, this is what I had. I pinned all of these together, right sides together, to create a long piece of fabric. Then sewed where I'd pinned. As I wanted it to look neater, I folded the sides in to meet in the middle, then folded that in half and sewed along the open edge. As I was sewing, I made sure everything was even and folded in the correct way. Once the belt was sewn, the skirt was complete and this is how it looked. I was really happy with how this turned out and it's another great item for your summer wardrobe. If you don't have a pinafore dress like I did, you can always make this from a pair of jeans. I have a tutorial on how to make a pair of jeans into a denim skirt. I will leave the link in the description if you want to check that out. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.